Hi guys, I hope that you're having a fabulous day. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming at you with my actual first bag of 2026. So I hope that you enjoy it. If you do, make sure and give it a thumbs up. And without further ado, let's get started, shall we? As you guys can see on the thumbnail, I did snag it on Fashion File. Okay, so I am super excited about this bag. I am so happy to have it back. Yes, you heard that correctly. Back in my collection. Kind of. And I actually bought it, I think I didn't waste any time this year, all right? I think I actually bought it on the 2nd of January or something like that. Or maybe I got it the 3rd, I don't remember, but it was like the very, very first week of January, and I've been using it quite a bit, and I am absolutely in love with it. Now, the reason why I said kind of back into my collection is because this is also a repurchase. I know. We are here again, people. We are here again. But it's kind of a repurchase because I've never had it in this material, although I have had this exact silhouette. Now, I'm not gonna give you guys a whole earful on it, but I have been wanting to add this bag back into my collection for quite some time. I'd say anywhere between maybe a year, year and a half. And I thought about going for it in the monogram canvas because that's what I had before, but I decided to go a completely different route. So like I said, I did get it on Fashion File, and I'm so happy that it came with the original dust bag. I did not get this bag at a steal. I was hoping that I could, or that I could use one of like the little codes. Yeah. It wasn't going to happen. Plus the ones that were a little bit less expensive than this had a lot of wear and tear. So I was like, if I pay a little bit more, I'll get something that has, you know, the condition that I'm looking for. But the newest kind of back to me bag into my collection is, and if you guys follow me on Instagram, you've already seen it. But the bag is the beautiful, to me, Louis Vuitton Artsy MM in the beautiful empreinte leather in the color Aurore. Okay, so let's talk about it, because the Artsy, in my opinion, even though I had it and then I sold it, in my opinion, the Artsy is by far one of the best looking bags that Louis Vuitton has ever created. I think it is a stunning silhouette. I have always said that. And even when I didn't have the bag in my collection, I still drooled over it anytime I saw it, either on social media or if I saw it out in the wild. It didn't matter because I thought it was a beautiful, beautiful bag. Now, like I mentioned, I did have it in the monogram canvas, but as much as I liked it, as beautiful as it was, I didn't really enjoy using that one. Number one, because of the strap. The strap is probably its greatest feature, but when it's not broken in, it can really feel like it's digging into your skin, especially if you overload this bag, or even if you don't overload the bag. So the strap wasn't the most comfortable, and sometimes I found that the north-south design was a little fussier than I would like, and I still kind of feel that way when it comes to north-south designs in general, but I was like, you know, I really want to get the Artsy again. I really want to get the Artsy. And I did look at the canvas ones, and I still think that the canvas ones are beautiful, but I opted to go the empreinte leather route because I feel like this one, even though it's going to be a lot heavier because it is all leather, I feel like it'll relax a little bit more. Therefore, I feel like it'll be a lot more comfortable for extended periods of time. And I think it is absolutely fantastic. The leather still smells absolutely delicious, okay? But I am in love with the empreinte leather for this bag. Every time that I have used it thus far, it's been such a joy to use. And yeah, I overload this puppy, but even with that said, because of the leather and because of this strap, it's already kind of broken in, I feel like it just molds to my shoulder and it feels that much more comfortable. Like, this to me does not feel like an uncomfortable leather bag that is oversized by any means whatsoever. I love it. I absolutely love it. In my opinion and in my experience, I feel like it's been night and day in how comfortable this one is to the canvas one. Again, I'm not trying to take anything away from the canvas one. I think it's beautiful, but dude, the empreinte leather is on a completely different level when it comes to the comfort for this bag. And because it kind of relaxes here, the north-south design doesn't bother me because I feel like it's slouchier, you know what I mean? It's not as stiff. It's not, I don't feel like it's digging into right underneath my armpit. So I love it. I absolutely love it. This color, Oh my gosh. So I didn't know what to expect with Aurore because I remember back in the day, this bag is from 2012. So it has some years on it. When I saw the Aurore before, I always thought that it looked more like a purpley, like it had a little bit more of a purple like tint to it or whatever. And I'm not like the biggest fan when it comes to the color purple. So I didn't really know what to expect. But this is more of like a ridiculously beautiful, in my opinion, like deep raspberry. It is stunning. And the color that you guys are seeing on camera is kind of close to what it is in real life, but it's kind of a chameleon when it comes to color, because if the sun is completely out, it looks a little bit more red. Other times it looks like a deep maroon. Other times it looks a little bit more of that raspberry that I was talking about. I don't know. I feel like the colors are all over the place, but I think it is so beautiful. It is not stuffed, so you guys can see that it has definitely relaxed. So let me give you guys a proper handbag tour because I feel like I'm kind of all over the place. So first thing you'll notice is, of course, the beautiful braided handle. And as I mentioned, it has been broken in, so this just molds to your shoulder. But I love that. This does not feel like it's digging into my skin whatsoever. You do have these two rings on the side, but on the front side, you do have this little bag charm. And this bag charm, you can take it off, but I like that it has a key ring and it also has a D ring so you can add other goodies on there. But on the front, you do have that beautiful empreinte leather. There is a side view. You have these pleats, the back view, another side view, and the bottom. You do have 4 feet along the bottom. Now I did notice that this has a little bit more wrinkling on the bottom than anywhere else on the bag, and I'm wondering, because I've seen other ones online that don't have this, I'm wondering if maybe whoever had this bag before maybe put a lot of heavy stuff in there, so maybe the leather stretched out a bit. I don't know. But for those of you that do have the Artsy and the empreinte leather, is this something that you have come across? Let me know in the comment section down below, please. So there's that. And then on the inside, it's so spacious. It's so spacious. You guys know I just live for big bags. There is the opening. On the inside, you do have one zippered compartment, and you also have, what is that, 2 slip pockets? Yeah, 2 slip pockets on one side, and then you have 2 slip pockets on the other. I know that it's going to be really hard to tell. You do have the textile lining that is striped. So there's that. And then you also have another little D-ring off to the side. And this guy is, it says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Spain. So there is that. But this color, I cannot get over this color. The color with the gold hardware is just absolute perfection. It's so beautiful. Now, like I said, the condition, I was more so interested in the condition when it came to the empreinte Artsy, because there are some that are a little bit less expensive that have a lot of wear and tear, that have a lot of issues. This one did have a little bit of corner wear. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. It's like barely there. So again, I know that that was reflected in the price, but there's that. But I was like, you know what? I'm going to go for it. I'd rather spend a little bit more and get the condition that I really want than settle for something that I'm not really crazy about just because it has a better price point, right? But I love it. I love it. I have thought about getting this bag in the white as well, or maybe even the black. But I didn't want to go for the black Artsy. I love it. I think it's beautiful because black and gold to me is timeless. But at the same time, I have a lot of black bags and I want a little bit more color. And I saw, what was the other color that I saw this in? It's kind of like almost like a brick red. I can't remember the name to save my life. I thought about going for that one as well, but I just kept going right back into the Aurore. I was like, I don't know, there's something about it. I don't have any other bags in my collection with this color, so it stands out on its own, which I love. And again, just the comfort, the joy that I get whenever I use this bag is absolutely unreal. I love that it fits all my crap. It fits everything and the kitchen sink and then some, you know? So if I want to, of course, it's gonna make for a heavy bag. I know that. But like I said earlier, because this strap just molds to my shoulder, I don't find it to be annoying. I don't find it to be ridiculously heavy and the type of bag that I want to just get off of my shoulder after a couple hours. Definitely not. So I just think, I think it is so beautiful. I am so happy that I have the Artsy back in my collection because I also thought about going for the Again, because the Again, as you guys know, is the revamped version of the Artsy. And I like it, but at the same time, I'm like, I don't know if I'm really feeling the way that it kind of, like there's something about it that I'm not really, I don't know, I'm not really sold on, you know? And I don't want to sit here and just say, oh, I don't like it because blah, 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 because I haven't given it a chance, right? We all know I have a tendency to eat my words one letter at a time. But just when I look at it, I'm like, it's not really, it really doesn't do that much for me in comparison to the Artsy. Whenever I see it, again, I feel like my eyes, my mouth, everything, I'm just like, oh my God, I love that. Like, it's just so beautiful. I don't know. Maybe that's just me. But I think it is amazing. And as you guys can see, I do have a little bit of wrinkling on the leather here, again, because it has relaxed and it's just like smushy soft. I love it. I absolutely love it. And I don't feel like it's too overwhelming either. Look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. The color. I cannot get over the color. I didn't think I would love the color as much as I do. Because before, like I said, I'd see videos or I'd see pictures and I'm like, I don't know, it looks kind of dull. It looks like it's super muted. And I don't find that there's nothing mute about this color. It is fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. So I've been using it for the last few weeks and it's been amazing. I have a feeling that this bag is going to be a heavy hitter for me this year, like no doubt in my mind. The condition of this bag is amazing as well, because the only thing that I saw that really had wear and tear are the corners, and like I showed you guys, it has a little bit of wrinkling here as well as the bottom. The hardware looks amazing, the interior looks amazing. Sometimes with these bags, the way that the silhouette is, sometimes the interior pockets will be stretched out, and I don't find that they're stretched out at all. I think on the description it actually said that the interior pockets were stretched out. I'm like, where? I don't see any stretching whatsoever. So I love, absolutely love the condition that this bag was in. And like I said, it is from 2012, and I think it looks fantastic. And it has a whole lot of life left, which I cannot wait to give it, because I know that bag is going to be in heavy, heavy rotation for me this year. But anyway, that does it for today's video. Did you guys see this bag coming? If you did, let me know in the comment section down below. Are you guys a fan of the Artsy? Whether it's in the monogram canvas, or if it's in the demi-azur, or if it's the empreinte leather, or I know that they also have it in python, right? If I'm not mistaken. Whatever the case may be, are you a fan of the Artsy? If you are, let me know in the comment section down below. But I love you guys to the moon and back. If you enjoyed this video, make sure and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already and you'd like to, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. And as always, make it a fabulous day or not. The choice is yours. Have a great day.